Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium power, leather and heated and ventilated leather seats, as well as lane keep assist, Ultraview panoramic sunroof, a forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with chrome accents. Of course, on the bottom here, we're going to have our storage and cup holder with our rear liftgate control. As well, it's going to come equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. You're going to have those power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your seat memory. You're going to have your Cadillac badging once you get in. Both seats heated and ventilated, very comfortable. It's going to come equipped with power adjustable lumbar and a thigh extension as well. And moving on to the left here, we're going to have our cruise control, as well as our voice recognition, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and as well as our heated steering wheel. On the right side will be our volume control, and as well as our seek track and the cluster control. So for the cluster control, you can pretty much only just access these couple things here. Oh, sorry, you hit the mat. And you can pretty much access your fuel economy options, your speed, and other navigation things as well. You're gonna have a push to start, as well as your climate control here. Up top, we're gonna have the infotainment system with built-in navigation, OnStar services, as well as climate. And of course, you can access your traffic apps as well. You're gonna have these old shifter, you're gonna have your drive mode and your all-wheel drive selector, wireless charging pad inside, along with 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port. Passenger side's getting that same finish. Same with across the door. You're gonna have that chrome and leather accents throughout the dash, as well as you're gonna have speakers up top, SOS and your OnStar services, as well as your universal garage door opener, and of course your panoramic sunroof. So you're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels with those midnight accents. Of course, you're gonna have that monochrome badging with the paint match mirror cap and 2-tone keyless entry door handles. You're also gonna have a chrome luggage rack up top. You're gonna have that dual tip exhaust in the back, as well as hands-free liftgate. Once we get in here, of course, the seats are foldable. You're gonna have extra lamps and hooks on the side, as well as an extra 12-volt DC port, and of course, extra storage and tools as well. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear, it's gonna be the same style. Storage and cup holder on the bottom, as well as the speakers, chrome accents with the power windows. Once we hop in, storage behind each seat, as well as rear ventilation, 2 little extra ports there, and USB ports. Right in the center, oops, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and above you is that panoramic sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We had this quick review on this 2017 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission, as well as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, Ultraview panoramic sunroof, performance suspension, aluminum wheels, heated ventilated leather seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.